Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to appear offline on WhatsApp. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. If you want to appear offline on WhatsApp, just open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now here you can see a three dot icon in the top right corner. Just click on it. Now go to settings. Here you can see the privacy settings. Just go for it. Now you can see the option here, last seen and online. Just set it to nobody. As you can see, my one is already set to nobody. Just set it to nobody. Now the job is done. When you are online in WhatsApp, you will appear offline to others. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.